So over here you can see that I have a design project in the image editor, and then it has a certain background and size to it. So if you want to go around and change that, as you're on the main area right here, the editing area, you can see that background and resize is an option that you see. So what I can simply do is click on background right here, and then over here you can go around and choose a color as you like. And you can also see that there are photo colors as you have a photo right here. What you can also do is click over here and utilize the color picker to go around and choose a color in detail right here as you like. You can also go around and add in the hex code or RGB code if you know them as well. You can also go around and take the color picker right here and choose from the color that you see from the screen as well. For example, over here, let's just use this color, click on it, and that color is used, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and utilize the color that you see as well. So that is how you can work around with the background. What you can also do is you can resize out your project by clicking on this. So over here you can see that this is the current size now, and if I were to go around and select out other design right here, you can see that the design elements get rearranged as well, as long as the auto layout is turned on. But if you were to turn that off, then you can see that nothing happens. Let me just go around and turn that on right here, and then what happens is that let's select Instagram story, and then I'm going to go around and click on resize, and this project is resized, as you can see. If I were to go around and click on copy and resize, then what happens is that it actually creates a new project right here, just like that. So it goes around and creates out a new project that is a new resized project. So that is how you can utilize the image editor background and resize out your image projects inside of CapCut's image editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.